People of South Africa, it is the morning. You know, bantu base South Africa kudlaliwe la ngathi. Kudlaliwe ka rona, kudlaliwe ngathi, and abanye benu you still refuse to see masiloko sinitshela because of some of you might be part of all these things or you might be used. But nonetheless, even our judiciary system, it is failing us. Justice system here like South Africa, it's also failing us. You look at right now, AfriForum is not charged. Yet these were the people who said in South Africa there is white genocide. Abelungu bayabulalwa, babulalwa abantu abamnyama. When they knew it was a lie, I saw even just the past few days they were asked baye babuzwa bathi no bona zange basho kanjalo. But when we know ukuthi there were even some abelungu who were claiming ukuthi bahlala emafamu banamafamu where else labantu labo bebawasha imoto just to prove lento leyo bahamba baye America manje bayazisola bafuna ukubuya. Bafuna ukusupporta lento lebe bathi khona into engekho when we know ukuthi abantu ababulalwayo abantu abamnyama, when we know abantu ukuthi they were fed to the pigs abantu abamnyama. Right now they have charged uDuduzile Zuma, but they are not charging AfriForum. You look at even nase court if bolalele izolo, even nama evidence abantu abezayo, you can see ukuthi there is no case there. But what they are doing ukuthi basebenzise abantu abafana nabo Cyril Ramaphosa because of bayiphethe ne judiciary yethu. They are using even the courts to fight those who are not on their side. Because of lie South Africa, ungayenza into wrong, but most side in labanye abantu useside in elabantu abafana nabo Cyril Ramaphosa angeke uboshwe moyenza into wrong. That's why today kunemali ethathiwe ethembisa hospital, and labo abayithathile there is nothing that is going to happen to them because of we know bakweliphi side. So meaning akumelanga ube esayidini lomthetho ungayenza izinto ezi-wrong as long usesayidini elabantu ukuthi bayiphethe na the system lena, even our justice system, then you know ukuthi you are safe. Right now you can see kule case yaka Duduzile Zuma there is no case there, but yet manje use court. And then as I say, why AfriForum na manje ingakacharge nge-treason? Why ingakacharge? Angeke icharge. And those are the things that some of you still want to ignore. You know, when ubaba begati abanye benu bayokhala, some they didn't understand that statement, and today some manje sebaye experience lento leyo because of today. When you start to say bad things about Cyril Ramaphosa, when you start to say bad things about Abelungu, you find yourself a court in namhlanje. You would know umuntu ofana no Malusi Gigaba. He started ukuluma just a few months ago. What happened to him now? Bavele bathi mfana yekele lento leyo. So that's what is happening. When you start speaking, that's when it becomes a problem. Ukungenandaba ukuthi lento ikhulumayo iyiqiniso or it makes sense. But when you start speaking against some of the people, that's when it becomes the problem. But our judiciary system also is failing us. There are people right now you'd be expecting ukuthi kwamele baboshiwe, kwamele basema court, but they are not in my court. Why? Because of those people bawelinye side, iside ekuthi liphethe. Today AfriForum bekumele iattend ama court because of them misleading, going as far as going to the White House. Even our president was sitting there. Kudlalwa ivideo engase yase South Africa, but there was nothing that they said. But when you start speaking against that side, that's when you find yourself a court. Umuntu ofana no Duduzile Zuma Sambutla, we know ukuthi she is in court today. And she didn't do anything wrong, but she is there because of umntwana kaBaba Jacob Zuma. So right now they are not only coming for ubaba wakhe, but they are also coming for ingane zakaBaba Jacob Zuma. Just like they did nabantu abafana nabo Duduzane, now they are also coming for uDuduzile. So, and also that's why we are saying South Africans, yabona into mangakayenzeki ngakuwe. That's when you keep quiet and keep on saying, no, Ramaphosa this, Ramaphosa that. Abantu abafana nabo Maumela, why bangekho emacourt namhlanje? Today we can see abantu abafana nabo Ket Matlala, abo Katiso Molefe, who are in emacourt namhlanje. But yet we are being told about our big five. Why these three ingakakhishwa? Why those ekuwukuthi badle imali eyiningi ezasethembisa hospital? Ekuwukuthi today abanye bathathelwe namaLamborghini. Why bangekho emacourt? And some of you, these questions are not asking them. You are not asking them. We don't know why, but some we know. No, you are just given something. But while our country, South Africa, is going in the drains because of there are people namanje still choose why every time hlezi namanje khulunywa ngendoda eyi-1 Jacob Zuma. But akhulunywa ngalaba abanye, akhulunywa ngalaba ekuwukuthi basiphethe namhlanje, akhulunywa ngalaba ekuwukuthi today they are the reason kuwukuthi kunabo ma-rand manipulation, they are the reason kuwukuthi ama-bank bayamosha bayatshontsha. But you'd focus on Duduzile Sambutla Zuma. Hi, bafethu. That's why you are our judiciary system, our courts, they are failing us for sure.